In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync iCloud Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to keep your events consistent and up to date across your devices using iCloud, and if you're on Windows, how to see those events right inside Outlook. First, let's quickly define what iCloud Calendar Sync means. When iCloud Calendar is enabled for your Apple ID, your events live securely in Apple's cloud rather than only on one device. That means when you create, edit, or delete an event on one place, like your phone, a browser, or your PC, those changes automatically appear everywhere else that's signed in with the same Apple ID and has calendar syncing turned on. It's designed to run quietly in the background, so you don't have to think about it. Now, if you're at a computer and prefer a browser, you can work directly on the web. Open your browser and go to icloud.com/calendar. Sign in with your Apple ID and you'll see your iCloud calendars right there. From this page, you can add new events, edit existing ones, or reorganize your calendars. Any changes you make on the website will sync back to your devices automatically. This is especially handy if you're away from your usual device or need to make quick edits from a shared computer. If you're using Windows with Outlook, you can bring your iCloud calendars into Outlook using iCloud for Windows. Install iCloud for Windows, then sign in with your Apple ID. In the iCloud app, make sure Calendars is enabled. After that, open Outlook and your iCloud calendar should appear alongside your other calendars. When you add or update events in Outlook, those changes sync to iCloud and then to your other Apple devices as long as everything is signed in with the same Apple ID and calendar is enabled. If your calendar doesn't appear right away, give it a moment, confirm that Calendars is checked in the iCloud app, and then restart Outlook. Here's how syncing behaves once everything's set. Events you create or modify in one place show up on all your other devices that are signed in with your Apple ID and have Calendar turned on in iCloud. Sync runs automatically in the background, so you don't need to manually refresh. Just keep an internet connection active and allow a little time for changes to propagate. For best results, use the same Apple ID everywhere and keep your time zone settings consistent. That's it. Simple, reliable calendar syncing with iCloud that helps you stay organized no matter where you're working.